Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration attorney at Brazen Legal. I help my clients get legal status, usually without leaving the United States. So if you'd like to work with us on your immigration case, please give my office a call at 508-942-7497 to book a consultation, or you can go to brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation at any time. This video is a very quick update on what's been happening with immigration reform. Yesterday, the Senate Parliamentarian rejected the Democrats' plan to include immigration reform in the spending bill. Her rationale for doing so is that this is an immigration policy change. It would allow many people to get legal status under the immigration bill, where our current immigration laws do not allow these people to get legal status. And so she does not feel that it is appropriate to include immigration reform in a spending bill. The Democrats are already back at work. They are planning to present her with a new version this week, as they were planning on voting on this on September 27th. Congress is trying to get this passed and dealt with before the beginning of the new fiscal year, October 1st. So we'll see what ends up happening with that. This is not over. I do not want people to lose hope over this. The Democrats could still pass this despite the Senate parliamentarians' objections. They would need about 60 votes to do so. However, they are planning on presenting her with a smaller version, a different version that could possibly include immigration benefits for less immigrants. That remains to be seen. An additional bill was also introduced, and this one would focus primarily on people with DACA, so dreamers, people that came here before they turned 18. That bill would focus on trying to give these people a pathway to U.S. citizenship. So it would not be including people such as people that have TPS, people that have delayed enforced departure, essential workers, farm workers, those groups of people. I'll definitely keep you posted as I learn more about what's happening on the Hill. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, how I can help you get legal status. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next breaking news video. And please also follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer, where I share some behind the scenes of what I'm doing when I'm not lawyering. Thanks for watching.